Hello, continuing our apartment tours. We're over here on the corner of Grace and Seminary, looking at 1 and 2 bedrooms in the area. That's Wrigley Field just a block down there, along with the CTA train station at the Addison stop. So come on in. We're going to go up and take a look at this second floor apartment. So you can picture Wrigley Field there. This is a 3-story walk-up building. Like I said, Wrigley Field is just 3 blocks down, or actually 1 block down, 1 block down. So come on in. We're in this apartment here. This is a two bedrooms, so come over here. We'll take a look at the living room first. Nice bay window. It's good sunlight here. So come on back out. There's 2 hall closets. And here's bedroom 1, pretty good size. Got air conditioning, window air conditioning, good size closet. Across the way is the bathroom. Nice bathroom. There's one of the closets in the hallway. There's both bedrooms have a closet. There's another hallway closet. We're stepping in here. This is bedroom 2. Again, hardwood oak floors. There's air conditioning in here, good size closet. Nice view outside. There's an area to grill downstairs. There's a back porch too. We'll take a look here in a second. Come on back out. We'll go out and take a look at the kitchen. A lot of cabinets in the kitchen. Stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, and it's very good sunlight in here. So take a look at the back porch, and you can sit out here, and you can also grill downstairs. And there's coin laundry in the basement. It's great to live in Wrigleyville. Have a great day.